Hello, hello. Yes, good morning, everybody. So today is third. This is 3rd of August. So I want us to look at our charts from the monthly time frame so that we get a gist of what we expect to be happening this month. We've not looked at it monthly since we've been looking at what's happening on the daily time frame, on the daily charts, intraday, but we've not looked at it on the monthly. So we want to look at it from the monthly point of view. All the charts which we have, we look at them on the monthly time frame, see exactly what we expect to be happening this month. Then we now will know exactly how to make decisions on what to expect to be happening. So I'll start with the chart on my screen. This is US dollar Japanese yen. So with the US dollar Japanese yen as it is right now, we have a very good price. It's actually a zone, so you can see it. This is 1 point. This is 134.977 and 136.362. We have another one here. Another one is 145.08 and 146.611. So as it is right now, if the price can, for some reasons, if the price can break beyond these two lines, then we want to see a pullback before the price can extend to the upper side, at least up to this point here. So we expect a move like this. So we don't expect the price to continue upwards. Of course, it has to go down up to this point here. I'm marking these levels because they look really, really cute. They are very good resistance levels. We have a resistance there. I'll make it a bit big so that we are able to see it clearly. So we have a resistance there. We have another one, yeah, and then we have another one, yeah. As it is right now, we are expecting the price to extend downwards. So we are looking forward for a possible sell up to this point here, where we look for a buy position. We're expecting the buyers to continue to push price upwards. It should break beyond this line. Then we want to see some pullback before the price can continue upwards, at least up to the next level, which is this one here. So as it is right now, this is the best place to look for a buy from. This is the best place to look for a buy from. We are also waiting for a buy at this price here. So on the monthly chart, technically, we expect the sellers to push price downwards. We are looking forward for a sell. We are looking forward for a sell. This downward move should continue. It should break below this inside bar candle. It should continue downwards up to this point here. So we also do have some shapes. We do have some shapes which look like they could end up if you could add a shape here. We have a shape here, and then you have that, then you have that. So basically, this is what you're looking at upwards. These were shapes that were there in the past, but if you are there when they were happening, this could have given you the correct opportunities to be looking for a trade. So that is my opinion on the monthly chart on the US dollar Japanese yen. The next chart is a GBPUSD. So with the GBPUSD so far, you can see that I do have some sell trades here. I'll remove them. We actually are not supposed to be in a sell. These were taken with a different strategy. So you can see that we have a very good support here. We have a very good support here. We have a very good support. We have a very good support here. Then we have a resistance. We have a resistance. And we have a support at this price here. So basically, this chart, we are buyers. We expect that if this level is to be respected perfectly, then where the price is now is supposed to be the best place to look for a buy from. So we are going to look for a buy position from where the price is right now. We are expecting the buyers to continue to push price to the upside. We are actually looking for a buy, least up to this level here. So should the price then close below the end of this month, then that would be a sign that we are now headed for a sell. But as it is right now, this is still a very good buy. We expect the buyers to push us upwards, at least up to this point here. I hope that makes sense. Is EURUSD. So the same line, there is some positive correlation between EURUSD and GBPUSD, but that correlation has just been violated now, because you can see that the line which we had on GBPUSD, it was around the same price. EURUSD has already gone below the same line, but GBPUSD is still somehow within that line. So what that means is the sell which we are seeing, the breakout which you're seeing on EURUSD here, it may actually be a false breakout. It may not be an ideal move to look for a sell position. Instead, it should be treated as a false breakout, which means the price will likely come up to this point by the end of this month, or it may even continue upwards and break above this level, then continue upwards. So we expect this. We expect something like this. We expect something like this. We have a support, a support, a support, a support, a support. We are expecting that the price may likely ascend beyond this line. The price may likely ascend above this line here. Then it should come down. And then it should continue to the upper side. So this is what we expect to be happening. This is the ideal situation that we are anticipating based on the fact that on GBPUSD, the price has not broken below this monthly support. So we expect the same thing to be happening on EURUSD. So if the price indeed closes above this line by the end of this month, then that will be a confirmation that we are now heading to the upper side. But if for some reasons the price descends and continues to remain below this point, then we expect it to continue downwards, at least up to this point here. So that should be my opinion on that chart, on this chart here. The next chart which I want us to have a look at is gold. So on gold, so far we do have the same thing. On gold, we have this level here. Then you have another level. So we have a resistance here, we have a resistance, we have a support, we have a support, and you have a support. There is a breakout. So as it is right now, we expect the price to break below this point. This is what, 1709.53. We expect the price to break below this point, and it should continue downwards, at least up to this level here. So basically, if the price breaks below this level here, this is 1709.53, we expect it to continue downwards, at least up to this point, which is 1527.01. On the monthly chart, this could still be a sell, despite the fact that this candle here is a reversal candle, but we still do expect the sellers to push price downwards. It should continue and end up breaking below this point here. So that is my opinion on those instruments. That should bring me to the end of today's analysis. We're going to meet again tomorrow at the same time. So thank you and see you.